How to fix Battlefield 6 open beta crashing. Step 1. Close overlays and background apps. Press Ctrl Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Under the Processes tab, right-click and end task like Discord, Steam Overlay, GeForce Experience Overlay, Xbox Game Bar, and other unnecessary apps. Overlays and background programs often interfere with Battlefield and cause crashes. Step 2. Repair or verify game files. For EA app, go to Library, click Battlefield 6, then click Manage, then Repair. For Steam, go to Library, right-click Battlefield 6, click Properties, then click Installed Files, then verify integrity of game files. This checks for missing or corrupted files and re-downloads them. Step 3. Adjust graphics settings. Launch the game in Open Settings, then click Graphics. Set graphics quality preset to medium or low for testing. Turn ray tracing off. Switch rendering to DirectX 11 by adding DX11 to the game's launch options in EA app or Steam. Switch between full screen and borderless windowed to see which is more stable. Step 4. Update or clean install GPU drivers. Download the latest driver from NVIDIA or AMD's official site. If problems persist, use Display Driver Uninstaller or DDU, then boot Windows into safe mode. Run DDU and select Clean and Restart. Reinstall the latest graphics driver. A clean install removes old files that may cause DirectX or crash errors. Step 5. Reinstall EA Anti-Cheat and check Secure Boot. Navigate to Program Files /EA/AC and run EA Anti-Cheat.installer.exe. Choose Battlefield 6 and click Uninstall then Reinstall. If the game shows errors about Secure Boot, restart your PC. Enter BIOS or UEFI and enable Secure Boot. Step 6. Collect diagnostic logs if issues continue. Press Windows plus R, type DXDIAG, then click Save All Information to export DXDIAG.txt. Go to local app data /electronic-arts/EA desktop/logs and gather the crash logs. Upload this when posting on the EA forums or contacting EA support to help developers analyze the issue.